a perfect mix of outstanding materials, a beautiful contrast of solid wood and satinized lacquered glass. It makes the look and feel very attractive and requires challenging design and manufacturing processes. Architecture and meticulous craftsmanship create the beautifully balanced look in Now No. 16. Natural, warm surfaces, clean and simple lines, and a clever adaptation of the different material thicknesses, thus ensuring an elegant look despite the thick material. One could also say that Now No. 16 looks fabulous, but we thought that you should know that with Now No. 16, true pieces of art will move in with you. In order to ensure that they are particularly durable, they are treated using Evernatural, the solid wood lacquer with the smooth touch. The wood is perfectly protected, hygienically clean and resistant without oiling, while still having a natural feel. Despite all this natural beauty, you do not have to compromise on modern technology with Now No. 16. The unobtrusive sound panel replaces the often unsightly hi-fi unit. It perfectly blends into the living room combination, and connected to the TV and media player, it delivers perfect sound using an integrated amplifier and speakers. Alternatively, you can play your favorite music from the comfort of your sofa using Bluetooth.